Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel where we talk about all things money and business related. Today's topic is one that we've all been waiting for. We're going to dive into the world of making money online without breaking a sweat. That's right, doing absolutely nothing. So, grab your coffee and let's get started. 1. Understanding what it means to make money online. When we say making money online doing nothing, we don't literally mean doing absolutely nothing. The good news is, there are opportunities online that can earn you passive income without you having to be physically present. Passive income, as the name suggests, is money earned with little to no effort or time invested. Some examples include affiliate marketing, Google AdSense, and selling digital products. 2. Affiliate marketing, the easiest way to earn money online. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to earn money online. It's simple and requires almost no effort on your part. All you need to do is promote someone else's product or service and earn a commission. You can promote these products through a blog, social media, or email marketing. Some popular affiliate networks include ClickBank, Commission Junction, and Amazon Associates. 3. Google AdSense, how to monetize your website. If you have a website or blog, Google AdSense can be a great way to monetize it. Google AdSense is an advertising program that allows website owners to earn money by displaying ads on their website. Every time a visitor clicks on the ads, the website owner earns money. The best part is, you don't have to do much other than set up a Google AdSense account and place the code on your website. 4. Selling digital products, earn while you sleep. Selling digital products is another great way to generate passive income. Digital products can include ebooks, online courses, printables, and more. All you have to do is create the product once, and you can sell it over and over again. The best part is, you can automate the process using platforms like Gumroad, SendOwl, and Teachable. In conclusion, there are plenty of ways to make money online with little to no effort. From affiliate marketing to selling digital products, the opportunities are endless. Don't let your lack of time or knowledge hold you back. Start exploring these options today and get ready to earn money while you sleep.